Hey guys, it's Molly, welcome back to my show. Okay, so why am I on the floor? It's because I have this. Isn't it cute? Yeah, I haven't opened it or tried to make it yet, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, it's open now, and what came with it is this. Looks like 2 things of dough and the base that will be the crank walking thing, and this thing, and then I think these are stickers. Okay, so it gives step-by-step instructions on how to make this thing. So let's begin. Alright, so it looks like step 1 is to make 2 tiny ears. Make 2 tiny green ears. 2 arms with ball hands. And then the rest is the head. Ooh, this dough does not smell good. But there's the head. Okay, we got all that. Now there's 19 little strands, 2 arms, and then 1 ball. So I'll make the 2 arms first. I guess they're sleeves. And now for the 19 strands. I don't know how big they're supposed to be, but about 5. Oh, I got this at 7-Eleven, by the way. Seriously, will never cease to amaze me. 6. Okay, just 13 more. 19. And then the rest of this is the ball. Okay, step 2 is to put the ball over this. Lovely. Okay, now we're attaching the sleeves to the arms. So, sleeve to arm, and sleeve to arm. Alright, and now we are making fingers with this. You know what, that's not working, so else I'm just going to like, that's one hand completed. I'm going to take some from the ball because this actually needs a little more to it. Now they had a choice of another zombie, but I thought this one was like really cool. And they also had a choice of cars, but I just really like zombies. Like, seriously, I am a huge zombie fan. If I had cable, I would be watching Walking Dead. Maybe I'll catch some episodes online. It worked! Can you see the holes? Step 8 is to attach the eyes. Well, I guess they're not stickers, they're like rip-outs. Okay. Eye 1 is on. No, don't lose your balance. Eye 2 is... Wait, why aren't you going on? Are you a sticker? I don't know if these are stickers or not. These are stickers. These are supposed to be stickers. But I can't get them away from the paper. Wait, there we go. There we go. Okay, I have one of your eyes. There we are. There we are. There we are. Okay, okay. Let me adjust you so that you don't fall. Okay, the other one now. Imagine I was doing this and I had forgotten to press the record button. That would be so bad. Alright, Step 9 is the mouth. Nice. Alright, it's coming along nicely now. I think his body is supposed to be like more small and stout. The arms are supposed to be a little thicker. Oh well, my zombie will just be the tall one. Okay, step 10 is to attach the brains on top. No, don't come off it. Don't come off it. No, I need to get the actual sticker. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna attach it here. Step 11 is to attach all the hair, which is what the strands are. What do you think so far, Q? One last step. Just gotta attach the ribs. Zombie rib cage. Okay, so mine isn't as cute as the box. It's still pretty cute. I like it. Unfortunately, it cannot walk because it is not balanced enough. It's not balanced enough to walk. I'll try it again. Okay, slight fail. Still pretty cute, so it's a win. So anyway, that's all for this video. I will see you all tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe. Check out my links in the description box. Bye bye!